Okay, so for part C, Charlotte thinks that a quadratic with a maximum of 4/6 that passes through the point 7.50 would be a better fit. Find the equation of the new model, right? So let me just draw a quick quadratic. Look at that. So now we have 2 points, guys. One point here. This is 4/6. That's the maximum. And some point down here, which was 7.50. 7.50. Now usually we would like 3 points to find, because the quadratic is going to be y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So we'd like 3 points to make 3 equations, and we can solve the 3 equations to find a, b, and c. However, we only have 2 points. So let's sub in the first 2 points at least. So we'll sub in 4/6 and we sub in 7.50. So we have, let's sub in 6 and 4 first. So 6 is the y and 4 is the x. So I'll put 4 squared is 16. Hope you don't mind this, guys. 16a plus 4b, because x is 4, plus c. So that's my first equation. And then this one, I'll sub in 0 and 7.5. So 0 equals 7.5 squared. Let's leave it like that. 7.5 squared a plus 7.5b plus c. So that's my second equation. So I've got 1 equation, 2 equation, and I need a third equation. Now the trick here is he tells us that it's a maximum. The maximum is at 4/6. And we know the maximum occurs, well, there's 2 ways to do it. You can either get the derivative of this equation, and then it's where the derivative equals 0, or you can get x equals minus b over 2a, because that is the equation of the line of symmetry. I'll do both ways if you'd like. So firstly, the derivative, dy dx, equals 0. Let's say at x equals 4. So the derivative, if y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, dy dx equals 2ax plus b. And then at 4, this equals 0. So 8a, well, let me do it properly, guys. 2a times 4, because when x is 4, plus b has to equal 0. So 8a plus b equals 0. Alternatively, you can say x equals 4 is the line of symmetry, so minus b over 2a equals 4, and look what you get. You get minus b equals 8a, and then 8a plus b equals 0. Either way, I'll just put a box around this. Either way, you get the same thing. It is nice to see, guys, how things all come together. This is your calculus with your line of symmetry thing that we've done before. Okay, either way, this is my third equation. So now we just need to solve these simultaneous equations. So I go to menu, algebra, solve system of linear equations. I want 3. Hang on, let me do that again. I'll use A, B, and C just so it's, what have I done? Just so it's clear. Algebra, system of linear equations, 3, and then here I'm going to do A, B, and C. And then I can just write them in exactly how I see them. So I can say 6 equals 16a plus 4b plus c. I can even write 0 equals 7.5 squared A, 7.5 squared A, plus 7.5 B, plus C, and finally 8A plus B equals 0. Press enter, and he gives us these. Now this is my A, B, and C. So A is negative 0.489796. Let me say that again. A equals negative 0.489796. 489796. B is equal to 3.91837. 3.91837. And C is negative 1.83673. Negative 1.83673. Yes. And then finally, guys, yes, you have to write down the final model. So y equals, I'll just put these to 3 significant figures now. So it equals negative 0.489, which would actually become 490 x squared, plus 3.92x minus 1.84. Okay, that's the new model. Yeah, guys, that's 4 marks. And that definitely took more than 4 minutes. So, yeah, it's not an easy question because of the time.